This is Eyewitness News at noon. Coverage you can count on.
New numbers show Florida's jobless rate shot up to 4.3%, the highest in 2 years, as the governor gave an update on thousands of Floridians now out of work. State health officials reported nearly 800 new cases of coronavirus overnight. Only 60 of them, I should say, are in Central Florida. Good afternoon, I'm Nancy Alvarez. Officials also reported another 18 deaths statewide. One was in Brevard County. Now, the very latest case numbers in each Central Florida county is on your screen. Orange County has 21 new cases. All of the others have 10 or fewer. Now, as we said, Florida's unemployment jumped to 4.3% after coronavirus shut down the state in the last 4 weeks. And thousands of people are still trying to file for unemployment. Governor Ron DeSantis just held a news conference in Fort Lauderdale in South Florida. Channel 9's Shannon Butler reports on what he said about those jobless claims.
Governor Ron DeSantis has been saying the same thing every day, that more servers are online and more people are now answering the phones to file your unemployment claims. But that means little to the people who still wait for those checks now that they know just 4% of those claims have been paid out. The governor spoke today in Fort Lauderdale to update the state on testing in South Florida. So far, 225,000 tests have been done statewide, but today the governor was also focused on unemployment. He went right into telling folks that he knows people are struggling and frustrated and is working on the issue. Yesterday, he said only 4% of those claims were paid out since coronavirus rocked the state. But the governor says now 100,000 claims have been paid out just this week.
The process has gotten better. There's still more work to do, but we're doing all kinds of technological upgrades with an eye towards the speed of doing this.
Not a lot of talk today at the news conference about reopening the state, but that obviously the theme here, saying that South Florida could look a lot different than the rest of the state because they've been hit so hard. We will have much more on that coming up tonight, starting on Eyewitness News at 4. In Orlando, Shannon Butler, Channel 9, Eyewitness News.
The governor also spoke about expanding test sites to underserved communities. Those areas include neighborhoods where the majority of the population is African American. The Urban League of Broward County says testing and education is key to stopping the spread.
This virus is no respecter of age, race, ethnicity, income, or geography. It does not discriminate, and we must speed up every effort we can to test and to educate.
Last week, we told you data shows African Americans in Florida are more likely to be hospitalized from the coronavirus than white Floridians.